Education is the most powerful tool that has the capacity to change nations. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanjana Tiwari and I welcome you all to the online career counseling and awareness series Sawal Jawab. This series is an initiative of Amrapali Group of Institutions to reach out to the students who are still confused or uncertain how to go ahead in their education after completing class 12. As we all know that we are living in a situation where the business environment is very dynamic. It is rapidly changing. So it is very important for us to scan this environment and so that we are aware of the opportunities that are there and we are able to grab those opportunities at the right time and the right place. So scanning these opportunities, there is one such course which provides ample opportunities, ample career options to the students after completing their graduation, and that is BCom Honours. As per a survey conducted by Times of India in the year 2022, there were 3,67,623 applications for this course, making it the fourth most in-demand course in the country. And to have an in-depth expert discussion, we have with us Professor Dr. Ritvik Dubey, Director, Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, Amrapali Group of Institutions. Sir, we welcome you here. We are very honored to have you with us here. To proceed further, I would like to ask Sir, BCom Honours जो है इस कोर्स को करने के लिए 12th के बाद एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या रहता है?
मोस्टली जो यूनिवर्सिटीज में देखा गया है वो देखा गया है कि 10+2 के बाद 12th में एटलीस्ट 50% मार्क्स जो हैं वो आपके होने चाहिए in order to apply for BCom Honours का program. And any student from any field, for example, not only from the commerce, but from non-commerce background also can apply for the BCom Honours program. And this is one of the most trending programs these days, because it is now come to the light of many people that this is also a job-oriented, very much in demand course, which actually students wants to pursue. Although this is one of the very popular and hit course among the commerce graduates, especially those who have got very good percentage in class 12th.
Thank you, sir. तो सर BCom Honours जो है इस कोर्स को करने के बाद हमारी एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी किस तरीके से इम्प्रूव होती है, क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है मार्केट में फॉर BCom Honours ग्रेजुएट्स, इस चीज पे आप थोड़ा सा हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए.
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन मैम. BCom Honours अपने आप में एक संपूर्ण प्रोग्राम है जिसमें कि आप कॉमर्स, ट्रेड, अकाउंटेंसी से, टैक्सेशन से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन 3 साल की अपनी पढ़ाई, अपनी ट्रेनिंग के दौरान पाते हैं. एक जो इसका विशेष पहलू है वो ये है कि इसमें स्पेशलाइजेशन भी होता है और ये स्पेशलाइजेशन मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, HR, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, टैक्सेशन, डाइवर्स फील्ड्स में किसी एक फील्ड, 2 फील्ड को चूज करके किया जा सकता है. और बच्चे इसके साथ साथ एक काम और भी करते हैं कि वो एक और ड्रीम को भी साथ लेकर कई बार चलते हैं. जैसे कि कुछ ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने आगे चल के अपनी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी का कंप्लीट करना है या कंपनी सेक्रेटरीशिप करना है या इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड वर्क्स अकाउंटेंट ICWA करना है या CFA करना है या CPA करना है या IA करना है. वो कोशिश यही करते हैं कि वो BCom Honours का जो ये प्रोग्राम है जो कि इन सारे तमाम और प्रोग्राम्स के कोर्सेज से मेल खाता है उसको पैरेलली कर पाए. तो इसका स्कोप, इसकी यूटिलिटी, इसकी विजिबिलिटी, हर चीज़ बहुत बढ़िया है. इसके चलते ही आज की डेट में बहुत ही ट्रेंडिंग प्रोग्राम बन गया है BCom Honours.
तो सर BCom Honours जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं तो अलॉन्ग विद जो ये करिकुलम आप लोगों का डिज़ाइन होता है जिसमें उन्हें CS या CA की प्रिपरेशन के लिए भी काफ़ी इंसाइट्स मिलते हैं, सो अलॉन्ग विद दैट सर उनकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड या और जो ओवरऑल स्किल सेट जो होता है उसके इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव्स लिए जा सकते हैं?
बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव्स होते हैं मैम. इसमें बच्चों को जो है वो बहुत सारे लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करना पड़ता है, केस स्टडीज पे काम करना पड़ता है, प्रैक्टिकल असाइनमेंट्स पे काम करना पड़ता है, जिसके चलते वो ये समझ पाते हैं कि व्हाट आर द निटी-ग्रिटीज इन डे टू डे ऑपरेशंस. एंड फ्रॉम द perspective of personality development, there are various in-house events, there are various central events जिनमें कि बच्चा participate करता है. Not only that, कई बार लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स जो है बच्चे को आउट ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन लेकर जाते हैं कंपनीज में, जहां पे कि उसको एक प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर दिया जाता है, प्रैक्टिकल असाइनमेंट दिया जाता है, जिससे भी उसका एक होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट होता है.
Alright. That means BCom honors जो है, it is an amalgamation. This course is a blend of theoretical and practical exposure for all the students. Thank you so much, sir. अब अगर मैं आपसे स्पेसिफिकली आपके इंस्टीट्यूट की बात करूं, आम्रपाली ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन, फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट की, तो सर आपके वहाँ बीकॉम ऑनर्स जो बच्चे करते हैं उनके लिए अपार्ट फ्रॉम द करिकुलम और क्या-क्या वैल्यू एडिशन आप स्टूडेंट्स का करते हैं?
Again, a very good question, ma'am. We started BCom honors in the year 2014, and since then many batches have passed out. What we came to understand is that the very high percentage students in class 12th, especially from the commerce area, they opted for the BCom honors program. And since they were very sincere since the start of their schooling and during their schooling, so they were sincere here also while pursuing their BCom honors program. So it became imperative on us to offer something which is value added, something which can enrich their CV, enrich their education journey. Keeping that in view, we designed various training modules related to the Tally, to the Advanced Excel and other things, which we offered it to the students. Moreover, we suggested them certain courses related to their area of interest and the demand of the industry through MOOCs ka platform, whether it was through EduCity, whether it was through Coursera or maybe EDX. So the students every semester got to know that there are 4 to 8 programs that they can do online while pursuing their current semester, and this has been the tradition with the BCom honors students since they are mostly very studious. So it becomes all the more important for them to acquire the necessary skill set which is in demand in the industry. So all these things goes into making them somebody who is like in demand for the industry.
Sir, as we know that Amrapali group of institutions का जो reputation है in the entire Uttarakhand, it is phenomenal. It is considered one of the best institutions here. So इसकी क्या ranking है? You know, there are rankings, there are surveys conducted by company like India Today and all these things. तो इसमें आम्रपाली की क्या रैंकिंग है? स्पेशली मैं जानना चाहूंगी फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट की क्या रैंकिंग रहती है?
The Faculty of Commerce and Business Management is among the highly ranked institution as far as many surveys is concerned. For example, if I talk about JHRD survey, Competition Success Review survey, Business Chronicle survey, Business Today survey, India Today survey, Northeastern Magazine survey, IMA survey. So you'll find that we are among the highly ranked institutions in all these surveys, and this goes on to prove that the kind of efforts, genuine efforts that we are putting in as far as the training is concerned, as far as the education is concerned, as far as the other facets like placements and internships, live projects are concerned, this is getting duly recognized by these agencies, and that's why we are getting highly placed and highly ranked in all these surveys.
Thank you so much, sir. Faculty of Commerce and Business Management here, Dr. Dubey along with his team of dedicated faculty members is ready to serve you the best experience of your life and education. All right. Sir, एक चीज और हम जानना चाहेंगे. What are all the specializations that you provide at your institute?
All right. We offer marketing, we offer finance, we offer information technology, we offer taxation, we offer information technology.
All right. सर आपसे बात के बीच में एक क्वेरी आई है हमारे पास. स्वप्निल जानना चाहते हैं नैनीताल से. वो ये जानना चाहते हैं कि उनकी जो बैकग्राउंड है वो पूरी तरीके से ह्यूमैनिटीज़ की है. सो क्या बीकॉम ऑनर्स उनके लिए एज अ कोर्स सही रहेगा, और इसके बाद किस तरीके की प्रोफाइल्स हैं, किस तरीके की कंपनीज हैं, और वो किन प्रोफाइल्स में उन्हें हायर करती हैं?
बहुत ही अच्छी क्वेरी है स्वप्निल जी की, और इसी के मार्फत उन सारे बच्चों को ये जवाब मिलेगा जो कि नॉन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड के हैं. अराउंड 35 to 40% स्टूडेंट्स जो बीकॉम ऑनर्स को करने के लिए आते हैं, दे आर फ्रॉम द नॉन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड. दैट मीन्स 2 out of 5 स्टूडेंट्स आर फ्रॉम द नॉन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड. This is the kind of ratio that we have been witnessing in past so many years. So coming from non-commerce background is not at all a problem for the दिस बीकॉम ऑनर्स का डिग्री का परस्यू करते समय. Only thing is कि they need to work hard because the kind of curricula that is designed for the BCom honors is really very good. And keeping that in view, we have our faculty members who actually offer them extra classes, extra mentoring, which actually helps them to understand the nitty-gritties, the nuances of the subject. Since they are from the humanities side, some of them are from the science side also. They do not understand anything about economics and accountancy once they join the course. But during the course of, let's say, 3 months, 6 months, they become very well versed because of our mentor-mentee program, which actually looks into these problem of these non-commerce students and addresses them. We pursue this thing very aggressively. Why? Because we know that the time is short in order to make them come to the level of the commerce students, and therefore we put in a lot of extra efforts in order to make them comfortable in the subjects which actually belongs to the commerce domain. So that is there. And the second part of your question, you asked about the kind of job opportunities that are there for the commerce and non-commerce students. See, there are plethora of opportunities that is there for the BCom honors candidates. Predominantly, they are hired by the companies which are like into accountancy, accountancy related analytics, related to what you can say, कंपनी का फाइनेंस का डिवीजन. सो दिस फाइनेंस का फंक्शन, अकाउंटिंग का फंक्शन इन एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लुक्स फॉरवर्ड टू द कैंडिडेट्स who are BCom honors graduates. But since the specialization is also there, therefore what happens generally is the companies do hire them for some functional areas also, which resonates with their specialization and the kind of extra certifications that they have done during their course of BCom honors journey, as I actually told you in the starting comment. So that is there. Lot of job opportunities are. All sorts of companies are there, and they get placements and very good placements as far as BCom honors का placement goes. They got very good placements.
Thank you so much, sir. The insights that Professor Dubey has given us made it very clear कि इस साल BCom honors में इतने ज़्यादा admissions क्यों थे और ये इंडिया का 4th most sought after course क्यों है. Because this is like a holistic course in itself. ये आपको जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज के साथ साथ अगर आप CA CS की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, किसी भी डोमेन में आप जाना चाहते हैं, आपको स्पेशलाइजेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. एंड स्पेशलाइजेशंस रिलेटेड टू HR, रिलेटेड टू मार्केटिंग, रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंस, टैक्सेशन, which is in itself a wonderful thing. So if in case if you are looking for a college to do BCom honors, then I would suggest you should definitely visit Amrapali Group of Institutions. And if you have any query, तो हमारी स्क्रीन में हमारी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स फ्लैश हो रही हैं. प्लीज फील फ्री टू कॉन्टैक्ट अस एनी टाइम एंड शेयर योर क्वेरीज. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you.